Hello, this is the video I'd like to introduce and walk you through the revised submission portal. So there have been some changes to the requirements about what you need to submit, and hopefully this video would help you to navigate the website. So the easiest place thing for you to access the submission portal is to actually just type csus.edu/PSYC. So this leads you to the psych department. And once you're there, just go to research and participation. And you want to select the choice that says student research and Psych 102 projects. So click on that link, class projects for Psych 102. And steps 1, 2, 3, 4, you should have already finished this part. And so you can go right to question number 5. This over here, submit materials to the submission portal. So click on that link. It leads you to the page that is submission portal. Now, you may need to, I think you may need to log in using your Sac State credential before you can get to this page. But just follow the instructions and you should be able to see this page. Most of the questions are self-explanatory, and you should have already have those information ready, reviewed, approved. Basically, you're going to copy and paste from your draft human subject application. Okay, so title, your lab instructor. Do you have a research partner? If you do, just click on yes. Then there will be a space that you can enter the name of your project partner. You should answer yes, kind of agree to question number 4. Major purpose. So this is kind of one thing I think changed slightly. Now the instruction actually says provides a 1 to 2 sentence description of the main purpose of your class project. So be really brief. I know at some of my previous feedback, I actually said, well, you need to include more information, but this is the current version of the instruction, so don't need to go into any detail, just 1 or 2 sentences. If you have a short paragraph, I'm pretty sure that should be fine as well, but the point is that you don't need to go into too much detail. Okay, so that's major purpose. Research methods should be survey questionnaire. And question number 7 is about participant confidentiality and anonymity. You can use that cut and paste from the standard language that are posted on the term project discussion forum. There is a section about the feedback for draft human subject application. So just copy and paste whatever information I put there. Question number 8. Let's see, be deceived. Deception, I don't think any of your project involves using deception, so say no. And question 9, say yes, you are going to recruit through the psych department's participant pool. Number of participants, ask for 40 participants. And credit hours depend on the length of your study. Anything that's 30 minutes or less, that's half 0.5 hours. And if your study lasts 45 minutes, it's 0.75. If it's 1 hour, that's 1 hour credit. And question number 12, you should multiply the number of students, number of participants you need with the credit hours for each participant. So 40 times 0.5 in my case equals 20. So you're requesting 20 participant hours. Question 13, you should answer no. You are not going to recruit participants outside of the subject pool. And question 14, deception and debriefing form. You need to say yes, even though you're not using deception. But basically, you're saying is that if you use deception, then you would include the statement. Your debriefing form. So that's question 14. 15, I think it's a visual processing and functional ability. Question 16, you need to read the researcher conduct guideline, and then you need to confirm that yes, you do understand the policy. Starting from question 17, there are a bunch of questions that don't really apply in this case because you are going to collect your data online, but still you should answer yes to all these questions just to confirm that you understand the policy. Okay, so do read the fine print, the statements, and then you need to say yes, you understand the policy. So yes, yes, yes. Question 20 should be yes. 21 should be yes. 22 should be yes. 23, cancellation policy should be yes. 24, yes. 25, no-show policy should be yes. Again, these questions don't really apply because your study is going to be on Qualtrics, and participants can take the quiz, your study, anytime they want, but you still need to answer yes to all these questions. All right. Question number 26 is still yes. 27, you understand the consequences for violating any of the research conduct guidelines. You have to confirm yes. Okay, question 28. So this is a bit different since this is one of the main changes. And you need to submit the following documents in one PDF file. So the first item that you have to submit is a detailed description of your research procedures. Now, in the previous version of the submission portal, this is the place that you actually copy and paste into a window, so it's part of the form. But now it's different. So you need to have the detailed description of the research procedure. That's what part of the your draft human subject application. Okay, so just copy and paste, and that's part of your Word documents. The second item is the appendices. So all the questions, inventories, and appendices for research materials, including scales, questionnaires, and with appropriate references. So don't forget the references. And each questionnaire that's designed by somebody else, including the ones you made some revision, you revised, they still need to have the references. So the only thing that you don't need a reference is the demographic questionnaire, because you created the demographic questionnaire yourself. Okay, so also, by the way, don't forget to include the demographic questionnaire with the this appendices, because everything that you're going to use, you need to present a copy for the human subject committee. And item number 3, consent form. Number 4, debriefing form. So again, the order should be procedures and appendices for the research materials, the consent form, and the debriefing form. Okay, so everything in a single file, convert the file into PDF. And you also need to name the file in a underscore last name underscore first name. So Freud underscore Siegmund. And then you upload your file, click check, send me an email receipt of your responses, and then click on submit. After you click on submit, do check your email and make sure that things have gone through. All right, and then you can. It takes about a week to 10 days, and if you wait for more than a week and still haven't heard anything back, then let me know and we can try to figure out what to do. All right, so I hope this video is helpful, and do let me know if you have any questions, and good luck.